Hey guys, Alex here with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your plug-and-play F1 lighting module for your C8 Corvette. This fits all current models of the C8 Corvette, adds a little safety and visibility to the back of the car. Let's get to this install. All right, so we're going to get started here. You don't need to raise your vehicle, however, it does make it easier to access some of the bolts here in the fender well. So we're going to get this raised up and supported, starting on the underside here. So we need to remove these 3 7mm screws as well as these 2 T15s. We'll need to do that on both sides of the vehicle. All right, so we need to remove the mud flap, access a couple T15s that are in behind it here. You don't need to take the wheel off if you have a short T15 tool. However, you can take the wheel off to open up some more area for you here. Sometimes you need a small plastic pry tool to get these to unclip, but usually you can just take and push on them and they'll come out. Okay. We'll remove our mud flap, and then we're going to remove these 2 T15s. All right, so we've got the fender liner pulled back here. We're gonna undo the 2 lower 7mm as well as the 10mm up at the top. All right, so now we've got the T15s out, the 2 7s and the 1 10mm here to free the side of the bumper. We need to repeat this process on the other side of the car. All right, so we're gonna remove all the T15s that we have left here holding the bumper on, keeping in mind there is one in each of these corners that is kind of hidden. From there, this is where a friend is gonna be helpful to help you support the bumper, as we're gonna pull it just off the back of the car. Then we'll be able to reach in underneath and unplug the third brake light, and then plug in our F1 lighting module. If yours has any shims where these screw holes go across here, make sure to pull them out, kind of set them in place, keep track of where they went and how many were there, because we will need to put those back in. All right, for a little better view of what it is you're actually doing under there, we're going to disengage this red safety clip, unplug this third brake light. It's the only connector kind of in this area. And then we are going to be plugging in the module in place and then plugging the original harness into the module, re-engage the safety clip. Then from there, we just need to tuck the wiring down in behind here. Just like so. All right, so we've got that installed. Now we just need to put all of our bolts and stuff back in here and then work our way down to the bottom of reinstalling the bumper in the reverse order we took it apart. There you guys have it. Pretty simple install. Plug and play, add a little visibility and safety to the back of your C8 Corvette. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.